Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. Back in session with cause number 331995, case of South State of Texas versus Kerry James Dennis, Kerry James Dennis Jr. Mr. Dennis, I have before me in cause number 331995, a motion to forfeit. Mr. Dennis, do you recognize this motion?
Yes, sir, I do.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir, it is.
Now, Mr. Dennis, before you signed this document, did you read the document?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir, I did.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir, it is.
Mr. Dennis, I will grant the state's motion to forfeit the weapons, in this case, to the Port Arthur Police Department. And state, you have an additional motion?
Yes, the state will move to dismiss this case pursuant to chapter 1245 penal code.
Okay, and Mr. Dennis, the state has filed a motion to dismiss this case, cause number 331995. And I'm signing the dismissal. And you'll be able to get a copy of this dismissal from our court clerk. Just sign the dismissal. And now, Mr. Dennis, Ms. Williams, could you get us to Mr. Dennis? Thank you. Mr. Dennis, Ms. Williams have just handed you a document that is titled Model Written Ammunition on the Ineligibility to Possess Firearm Ammunition. I will go over this document with you. And it reads, in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, section 176.1, the court hereby admonishes you of the following. Number one, you are by entry of order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Number two, beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number three, under Texas Penal Code, section 46.013, a firearm means any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. The statutes listed below are a starting point for ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, Notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code, Section 46.02, Unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code, Section 46.04, Unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code, Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse or neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code, Section 85.026, warning on protective orders. Mr. Dennis, that ammunition that was handed out to you is for your records. Keep it for your copy. Well, keep that copy for your records. Now, Mr. Dennis, you're gonna stand on the X, right to your left. And you're gonna follow the directions of our court clerk. Once you follow her directions, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Stand right here and follow her directions. And you have a blessed day. Okay?
Now, the excuse.
Yes, okay.
Mr. Coleman.